Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce from scratch without heavy cream. You might be surprised how simple it is to achieve that rich, velvety texture using common ingredients. We'll start by gathering our essentials: butter, fresh garlic, whole milk, and a good block of Parmesan cheese. The key is in the technique, not necessarily the cream itself, so let's get cooking. First, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, but don't let it brown. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This creates a roux, which is the secret to thickening our sauce and giving it that luxurious body without any heavy cream. Now, slowly pour in 2 cups of warm whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Keep whisking as the sauce gently simmers over medium-low heat. It will gradually thicken to a beautiful, creamy consistency. Once it reaches your desired thickness, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. This adds incredible flavor and richness. Finally, season your homemade Alfredo sauce with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg to enhance the flavor. Toss the warm sauce immediately with your favorite cooked pasta, ensuring every strand is coated in that delicious, creamy goodness. Serve it hot and enjoy. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.